Welcome to Language Learning with Dee. I am back with another video showing you how to cook a classic Chinese dish, egg and tomato stir fry, which you can easily accomplish in under 10 minutes. So if you are ready, let's get started. And another thing which I can teach you is how to say egg and tomato stir fry in Mandarin Chinese. So there are 4 characters here. 番茄炒蛋. Let's break it down. So 番茄 means tomato in British English, or tomato in American English. And then 炒 means fry. And then finally 蛋 means egg. 番茄炒蛋. One more time. 番茄炒蛋. So I hope that you either enjoyed it or find it useful, and I will see you in my next one.